Let's walk through the simple steps to securely perform a lockout-tagout procedure using ViewPoint On Demand. Select Lockout Tagout procedure. Scan the QR code of the asset you want to service. Notice the last time the procedure was updated right above the Start New Asset Lockout button. You will see a picture of the asset, critical safety instructions, and information, including its location, isolation details, and energy source. Hit Start New Asset Lockout. Enter the work order number and purpose for this lockout. The information in these fields is saved in the asset's history and can save you time on audits, inspections, and investigations. If your asset has multiple isolation points, they will show here in a carousel, and you will follow them sequentially. Click Isolate to start the procedure. Now you see the first isolation point's location, procedure, and energy isolation test details. If you scan the wrong QR code, ViewPoint will let you know. Scan the QR code. Perform the procedure. And if you want, upload a picture. Hit Verify. Press Release Lock to re-energize the asset. Follow the instructions. Click Re-energize. Scan the control point QR code, upload a photo, and hit Verify. The final screen will show a summary of the procedure. Mark Complete and you are done.